everyone, it's Ryleigh from Urban Firebird Home Solutions. We're at a new house today and we're starting in this bedroom. I know it's weird, but you have to understand this is our inspiration for our name, Mirror Wall House, because this is very unique. So we're going to be repainting the walls, pulling out the carpet, refinishing the hardwood floors, and we're going to be getting new light fixtures, tearing down this wall, this mirror wall. Let's get to the rest of the house. So if I didn't tell you this earlier, there's some great local investors that wanted to partner with us on this house. Hey, Hal and Lisa. So anyway, we're in the living room right now, and we're going to be tearing down this tile. We're going to be refinishing the hardwood floors. We're going to be changing the light fixture and fan, repainting, all that good stuff. In the kitchen, we're going to be replacing the floors with vinyl. We're getting rid of the countertops and replacing them. We're going to be repainting these cabinets. We're replacing the handles. And we're going to be changing out appliances because nobody wants to cook on this stove. And a new light fixture, repainting. This is the dining room. We're going to be repainting. We're going to be refinishing the wood floors, getting a new light fixture, more good stuff. In here, it's the bathroom and the two bedrooms. In the bathroom, we're going to be replacing this, and we're going to be the top of the vanity, and we're going to be painting the vanity. We're going to be getting rid of this and putting a new mirror. We're going to be getting rid of the toilet, just making this bathroom all renewed. And here, we're going to be pulling up the carpet, we're going to be refinishing the floors, painting it up, making it a really nice bedroom. We've already been in that room because you already know the mirror wall. So now we're going to go to the basement. We're in the basement now, and we aren't really sure what we're going to do with the basement, but if we do something, we're probably just going to paint the walls and put in carpet flooring. This is the third bedroom, and really, probably the only thing we're going to do is drywall and maybe do the paint and the carpet. Let's head outside. So now we're outside and you can see the nice exterior. Over here, we're going to be we're going to be redoing the blocks right there. Over here, we're going to be putting in a new retainer wall. Going to be replacing the doors. Out here, we're going to be getting rid of that trampoline. Trampoline's got to go. And just cleaning up the yard a little bit. Right here, we're putting in a block wall just to support the ceiling, because there's a garage up top. And over here, we're going to be repainting the foundation. That was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all later. Bye.